Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Check your modem and ISP status and make sure your Ps5 software is current. First, power cycle modem and router. Turn off, wait 60 to 90 seconds, then power back on to clear transient faults. Next, restart your Ps5 from the quick menu so it renegotiates network settings. If you can, plug an Ethernet cable directly into the Ps5. Wired connections remove Wi-Fi variables, and often Once done with restarts, go to Settings Network Connection Status and run the connection test so you see ping, download/upload speeds, and NAT type. These numbers tell you where to focus. If addresses change, set a static IP on the Ps5 or reserve the Ps5 MAC in your router to prevent conflicts. Make sure to test DNS. Use your ISP DNS first, then try 8 or 1 to rule out resolution issues. Finish by addressing advanced causes. Reduce MTU to around 1,400 if you see fragmentation or packet loss, because smaller MTU can stabilize gaming traffic. Ensure UPnP is enabled on the router so the Ps5 can open necessary ports automatically. Otherwise, forward key ports: TCP 1935, 3478, 3480, UDP 3074, 3478, 3479. Once done, reboot devices and rerun the Ps5 network test, then join a multiplayer lobby to verify. If issues persist, power cycle ISP modem for several minutes as a final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.